Want to switch up your PopGrip style without buying a whole new grip? The PopSocket replacement top lets you do just that, quickly and effortlessly. It's designed to snap on and off your existing PopGrip base, giving you fresh looks or added functionality whenever you want. No need to replace the entire PopGrip. Just press your current top flat, twist it 90 degrees until you hear a satisfying click, and swap it out for a new PopTop. This simple twist and click system keeps your phone grip secure, letting you hold your device comfortably with one hand or prop it up hands-free. PopSocket replacement tops work perfectly with PopGrip, PopSlide, PopWallet Plus, and PopCase. That means you can match your phone accessories to your mood, outfit, or occasion without extra bulk or expense. Plus, removing the top lets you wirelessly charge your phone without interference. Choosing a PopSocket top-only option saves you money by skipping the sticky base. It's a smart way to build a versatile collection of tops without cluttering your phone with multiple grips. Whether you want a new design or a different function, these tops keep your style fresh and your phone practical. Customers love how easy it is to change their PopGrip look. One user praised the black and white design, saying it's exactly as promised, simple, stylish, and reliable. That kind of feedback shows the PopTop is more than just an accessory, it's a practical upgrade for everyday phone use. If you're someone who likes to personalize your phone gear or needs a quick way to switch styles, the PopSocket replacement top is worth a look. It's affordable, easy to use, and compatible with multiple PopSocket products. Try it when you're ready to refresh your phone's look without the hassle of a full replacement. Changing your PopGrip style doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With PopSocket's replacement tops, you get a secure grip, wireless charging compatibility, and endless style options, all in one small, twistable piece. That's convenience and customization working together to fit your lifestyle. Ready to upgrade your phone accessories without buying a new PopGrip? Explore the PopSocket replacement tops today and see how simple it is to swap styles and add function. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how you use and show off your phone.